front. Now in a local stand on the front, on our big crutches, man, front. The fill. On the side grill, on the bomber rock. Ross blood grill. Front. Our big crutches, front. Let me hear front of the moon. Come on. On the fill. Side grill. Tell them, I want them. Let me hear it on the front. The front. Front way, same way. Front way, same way. Me no need to live one night or day. Me no kid, me no bring and me don't play. Tell the rapper that I come and go on some way. You say from my problem and you will say. Tell the rapper that I come in here with me. You know you where me and tell the people. Barbados, them does what them does. And them kick them show with ignorant boots. Fireman and big matches, stick on woods. Well, if I want to kick, I'm going to let them know. But if you think I'm going to slam you, you're pretty mom now. I tell you what's I've got from ever window. I don't go hanging out in a night. So with this reggae music and dance from a show. I hear girl have a wine overnight food. I hear girl love wine and room. What you feel love when I the girl start screw? When I special man come with another job. I don't know what's up. Warning. Got to get a check of the other one down when it's coming. All I got to wait till. Fire! What was that? When we come down. That's how we come down. When we come down. start getting low. Stop the place and the name go on your toe. When Coco down, not the one that them get overthrow. When I jump on them and the name and dance up on them toe. On the side of them and the one them I call it limbo. Rock up and fish and get a come to cock up your show. And what you do, the walk on and teach you so. Red green, pull them scatter with the rainbow. I take it from the I carry it up the floor. I tell you rock on the pop, it don't blow slow. Keep a show with us, hey, Simla. I'm going to living out for this place and tribute. Long before Mr. Blunt and divert and bring up some such children. 48, 40, little no second. It's a 24/7, it's a right on the clock, until I get my musical, oh, Johnny Band, I'm not going to listen. When I'm in the moment, then the second I said, music, I got listen. Talking husband, love your own. I'm talking nerve, need to learn to yarn, trouble and fun. Yeah, they have tell them. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica is another full of adventure. Now that full and sunshine of the soul and water. And the famous blood mountain and the great country bar. Jamaica surrender the Caribbean one. I want walk here and the originator. And the Spaniard, the English and the more fella. Christopher Columbus was a great robber. Behind that road and Italy in the Genoa. Germany was the son of a wool weaver. And then him trying to become a sailor. Him traveled to Spain, he was a navigator. Checking further than a Queen Isabel. In the Pinta and the Nina and the Santa Maria. And 200 sons out like soldier. The great operator, I lift it up and blink, and I'm thinking on my shoulder. And anytime I catch it, well, I murder me, I go charge for. Murder me charge about a musical murder. Murder me charge for don't call me barrister. Murder me charge from the gun. Hey, and if them just are going push it, they go further. And if them just are going apply some pressure. Come and me tell the rapper dapper. The rapper dapper is the master, it's a musical master. Hold it! I don't finish it. What? See everything that one. The girl that me talk about, that girl that. Me don't care about no girl that want to sing it. I don't tell her my thing. So me can't judge her. When some piece of lago there, me have to try her. So me wear her, tear her. You me tell her. Hey. Hey, Mary Lou. Don't make them anxious, how you do? Hey, Mrs. Mary Lou. Don't make them boy you come anxious, how you do? I hear you have a hot sister named Mrs. Lauren Jew. Hey, he's rapping that money up and you just rolling through. Well, them and those who crucify him. What if they were mocking and not tearing him? And if they mock him and they were tearing him, I wonder if it's the same kind of people. Well, if you'll ever come out for a stage, you know. Oopa loopa latic up. Carry me up. Up there. Yeah. It's very certification to only get them alive to them all the boats. But today I local flow. Is it Mr. Cat, I'm Mr. A's in a girl. Is it Mr. Cat, I'm Mr. A's in a girl. Is it John Rack? I say easy the bar. Easy Mr. Black, I say easy the. Well, the one sisters let her talk about Jojo. Yes, the girl them not Jamaica, them and talk about them. Well, she won't say that for me, she run come and give up, you know. She won't say that for me, run come and give up, yes. She won't say that for me, she run come love them up, yes. She won't say that for me, maybe keep on them neck, yes. She won't say that for me, she run come hear me out, yes. She won't say that for me, she money still love neck, yes. She won't say that for me, she run and hear me out, yes. She won't say that for me, she butt and hear me out, yes. She won't say that for me, she won't say me say glad that I'm in mountain. She won't say and every girl and I'm in mountain. Put up your one and if you put up your one and if you have your vote. Put up your one and if you have your vote. Put up your one and if you have your vote. The man them alone, also the lady. The man them have some pretty bumps the lady. And the lady them have some pretty bumps and the man them have the money. The girl them have the money. We love our one another. Just put up your one and if you have your book. Put up your one and if you have your book. Put up your one and if you have your book. For me, your books will look maybe now half of your books. If you're right down there, you give her dollars one away. Come to service a cat, him and your boss DJ. London, Canada, over US of men. No matter how the wicked and the world wants say. I tell them Mr. Cat, you come and go somewhere. Along with Steve Black, him and the militant player. Now with Joe Rats and the militant player. Play on this keyboard, don't stop player. Play guitarist and him and go on some. I want you put up your one and if you have your book. Put up your one and if you have your book. Not only man come and visit the ladies. Not only man come and visit the ladies. Put up your one and if you have your book. And everywhere you go, just run up your mouth. Everywhere you go, just run up your mouth. Yes, you walk and tell the world you have a girlfriend. But just to him to know what big money he must spend. BMW comes and Mercedes Benz. Sit up up and sit along the ball them friends. I think John and Anita I run down 20s. But tell them Mr. Get a say they love the girl them. Just put up the one and have you. Put up the one and have you. Put up the hand and have you. Say, coffee your boots, Sophia, 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 my boots, I'm just my boots and your boots. See, I'm a bubble with it. Miss all of the pretty girl, them have a bubble with it. I miss all of the sexy girl, them have a bubble with it. All of the tired of the ground, there's a bubble. I'm not going to sweet, but I'm sweet. The sugar for my honey. If I say I love you, you can done all of my money. Sweet for my sweet and the sugar for my honey. If I say I love you, baby, what will you do? Because I love you. You love me equal and I tell you, baby, girl, I will always. Well, me say second again, the yard of it to run. Come to the place and pick up the mic and say, shut up the run. I'm burning my yard and burning my yard and yard it up and down. And then the way we come and say, dance up the run. In the door to wheel and miss up in the yellow man. Not up the hook, not your dad, only 10 times stitchy. When I'm over here, so catch it, I see up your I'm a quality sweet, I'm sweet. I sugar on me, honey. Sweet and sweet. Sugar on me, honey. You got it wrong to me. But the wine you have here, oh, you have one, and well, we just second again. I'm in the second again, yeah, we have to run. Second again, no wine, no punchy. I'm burning around, I'm no problem, and anywhere we go, we have to run your party. You're a finish and get him on the top celebrity. Second look at him on the style of fashion. You're a finish and get him on the run. Come to the place and come to my conception and the ram. And everywhere we talk with the woman and the man. I talk to the ladies, they say I'm the gentleman. I'm in the drop in controversial. You think it's on the one. When I'm up in this, I got to find it up your version. I hear me ladies, I hear me gentle. Anyway, sweet, look up to me, I'm going to get all of the money. I'm going to fight some, all of it. Hold it!
Thank you for watching part 1. Please check out part 2.